Experiencing a key not detected message in your Honda Odyssey from 2011 onwards? This usually means your key fob battery is dead. Don't panic. This video shows you how to quickly bypass the issue and start your car. The Honda Odyssey has a hidden mechanical key inside the fob. We'll use this to unlock the door and start the car. For push-button start models, placing the fob near the start button while pressing it will usually work, even with a dead battery. Find the release button on your key fob, usually on the back. Press it to slide out the metal key blade. Insert this key into the driver's side door lock and turn to unlock the door. This bypasses the electronic system. Once the door is unlocked, enter the vehicle. Place the dead key fob on the center console, close to the start button. Press the brake pedal firmly for automatic transmissions or the clutch for manual. Then, hold the start button for 3 to 5 seconds. The engine should start. If you have a 2011-2014 Odyssey, you might need to keep the fob inside the vehicle after starting to prevent it from shutting down. Test it out briefly to be sure before driving. To prevent the key not detected issue in the future, replace the key fob battery. This is a simple task that anyone can do at home. Use a coin to gently pry open the key fob. Look for a small slot or seam on the back of the fob. Insert the coin and twist carefully to separate the two halves. Once opened, you will see the old CR232 battery inside. Carefully remove it by lifting it out or using a small tool if needed. Be gentle to avoid damaging the fob. Take a new CR2032 lithium battery and place it into the slot. Make sure the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing up. This ensures proper contact and power flow. Snap the two halves of the fob back together firmly. Test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons while near your Honda Odyssey. The lights should flash to confirm it's working. Regular battery replacement every 1 to 2 years will help prevent the key not detected error from occurring. Expert tips for Honda Odyssey owners: always carry your mechanical key as a backup for emergencies. Honda's 2025 warranty extensions now cover free key fob replacements if dead battery issues lead to vehicle immobilization. Check with your local dealership for specific details and eligibility.